friends. Welcome back to Bridging the Gap, the space where we connect, grow, and inspire transformation. I am Sanchita, and today's episode is all about unlocking the secrets to leading by example. Leadership isn't about wielding power, it's about inspiring trust, fostering growth, and showing others what's possible through your actions. True leadership begins within: how you show up, how you handle challenges, and how you treat others. These are the subtle yet powerful ways to inspire change. Stick with me, and by the end of this episode, you will have actionable strategies to embody the leadership qualities that ignites motivation and builds trust. Now let's dive into this. Let's begin with understanding why leading by example matters. Leadership isn't a title, it's a practice. Think of the leaders you admire. What stands out? Chances are it's not just what they said, but what they did. Actions have a hypnotic power. When people see you living your values, they are naturally drawn to follow you. Neuroscience backs this up. Humans are wired for mirror neurons, which means we unconsciously mimic the behavior of those around us. If you want to inspire accountability, empathy, or innovation, you need to model these traits yourself. Leading by example bridges the gap between intention and action, creating a culture of trust and motivation. Now, let's look at some of the actionable strategies to lead by example. Let's get practical. Here are 5 actionable ways you can lead by example and demonstrate strong leadership qualities. Begin with own your growth. Be open about your learning journey. When your team sees you investing in personal development, they are inspired to grow too. Say things like, I am learning X to improve Y, to set the tone. Next, you need to communicate with clarity. Clear, consistent communication creates alignment. Use phrases like, let's collaborate on this, or here's how we can achieve our goals together. Embody accountability. Show that you take responsibility of your actions. If something goes wrong, say, this was my oversight and here's how I will fix it. Accountability inspires respect. Stay calm under pressure. Leaders set the emotional tone. Use grounding techniques like deep breathing to stay composed even during challenges. When you project calm, others feel safe. Finally, celebrate wins. Recognition fuels motivation. Celebrate both individual and team achievements with authenticity. Say, your hard work made this possible, to make people feel valued. Now, let me share a story from my own journey. Early in my career, I worked under a leader who exemplified humility and resilience. One day, a project failed due to unforeseen challenges. Instead of pointing fingers, this leader said, this is a learning moment for all of us. Here's how we move forward. Their calm and accountability inspired the entire team to rally together. That is the power of leading by example. Let me share another example. It's from a mentee of mine who embraced clarity in communication. She started setting clear expectations and timelines, and soon her team's productivity soared. Little shifts create massive ripple effects. You will realize this with more practice in it. Now, let's look at some other perspectives on leadership. Let's try and incorporate some NLP tools into your leadership toolkit. Anchoring confidence. Before important meetings, visualize a time when you felt confident and successful. This primes your mind to bring that energy into the present. Reframing challenges. Instead of saying this is too difficult, shift to this is a chance to grow. Your language shapes how others perceive challenges. Ask empowering questions. Ask your team questions like, what is the best way we can tackle this together? This will spark ownership and collaboration. These techniques not only elevate your leadership but will transform how your team approaches problems. Now with that, let us come to the end of this episode. I want to thank you for joining me today on Bridging the Gap. Leadership isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up authentically and consistently. When you lead by example, you create a ripple effect that inspires growth, trust, and success. Here's your challenge for the week. Identify one leadership quality you want to model and take action on it. Please share your experience with us. I would love to hear how it impacts your team. If today's episode resonated, share it with a friend or a colleague. Together, let's bridge the gap and create a world of empowered leaders. So until next time, I want to remind you to lead with intention and inspire with action. Take care, keep shining. Bye-bye.